What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name's Nelson. Today I'm with
his mom, Rafaela.
We're gonna be doing an install of some tail lights that they sent us. So the box is in good shape. I really want to get your opinion, Mom. What do you think?
They look pretty good.
They look good?
I don't know, but
okay, so this is my opinion about these tail lights. When I first saw these, I was like, what is this? This is kind of like an old school kind of look. That's why I have you here, Mom. Because this is not me, you know? They're kind of, they have the original shape of the Chevy. They're kind of bulky, black. I like that they're black. The most difficult part is going to be removing this plastic.
Child-proof.
Okay. This Chevy truck lights are hard to install. No, it's very easy. Yeah. I've seen you do it a couple times, a lot of times.
Oh, I'm stuck on it. My style is a little bit cleaner, a little bit nicer, but you know what? Now that I have it face to face, actually, it's starting to grow on me. And I've seen a couple Chevys with these exact tail lights, you know, all stock, and then have these tail lights. And yeah, they're starting to grow on me. I thought it was a little, you see how it has these little bulbs? I thought these were popping out, but it has like a smooth finish here. So I do like that.
I like the chrome in there.
You like the chrome? That's what I'm saying. Old school, straight. Chrome don't get you home. Well, Mom, thank you for being with me. Mwah. And you really like these?
Yeah.
Yeah, Mom approves. So guys, you know, this is kind of like an old school kind of look, I think. But if you're shopping for your parents or someone like that, then they might like these. But you know what? If I got these, I wouldn't be disappointed. These are really nice.
Yeah, they look pretty good.
I recommend these microfiber towels. You know, I bought mine on Amazon. They're $25 for 50 of them. They're really high quality. First, if you go to O'Reilly's, you get 25 towels for 25 bucks. It's just, trust me, just go on Amazon, click on my links, buy these towels right here. Put your hand on it. So now we're just gonna get these, put them on our towel so we don't lose anything. 2 screws, 2 tabs. You can't really mess these up, just turn them.
Right now would be a great time to replace some bulbs. I don't think any of these are missing.
And you can see it just falls right into place. Perfect. Let's see how these are gonna fit. This is no comparison, man. Wow, I gotta tell you, these grew on me really fast. Ooh, these are kind of a pain sometimes. Ooh, nice.
Oh, there you go. I love it. Oh, look, this has a screw. Oh, no, it's a plastic cap.
Work our way down, fitting really loosely.
Turn more. Let me see which one's bigger on here.
This one's a little better, but no click or clip. It's not gonna fall out. This one went on easier, but same thing, it's not really clipping on that great. See this bottom one? All right, perfect. The only one that's not working so well is this one right here. I can probably put some double-sided tape on. Looks like I need to put these clips on too. Go into our box and they sent us these little things. Does not come with new screws. Just slide these bad boys in. Slide him in. Let me just put this to hold it. Oh, there we go. It's nice and straight. That's it. It's installed. Like the fit. It fits perfect just about everywhere. Look down here. Nice fitment. Really nice fitment. And I say it fits nice because look, I got these sleek, sexy LED lights, aftermarket lights. Could almost stick my whole finger in there. They do fit like stock. A recap, the only thing you got to do is double side the top one. Looks like all the other ones fit pretty good. Good amount of space, nice fitment. Thanks for watching the video, guys. That's it. That's the install. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to check out these tail lights because, man, wow, they really are making a difference. I mean, compare that to that. I mean, that just looks ugly and old and crusty. What do you guys think? Beautiful, right?